What's up, everyone? I'm here with an amazing video regarding hosting or hosting deal. So, if you are looking for an special discount coupon code through which you can save a lot of money when you buy your hosting from a stringer, then you are at the right place. Because in this video, I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes plus a step-by-step tutorial on how you can claim the discount using these special coupon codes. So the procedure is very quick and easy. What you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be led to a page like this where you can see an amazing special deal running right now at Hostinger. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google Host by W Beginner. All of them says that Hostinger got amazing reviews, and you know that the Trustpilot reviews are clickable, and we're going to practically check those reviews on how what people are saying regarding us. And you can see our exceptional support, Hostinger awesome support, great service, a great support service, extremely easy WordPress host with top-notch support, professional, knowledgeable, and polite. Hostinger knows its job, quick and easy. So you may see that all of the reviews are very satisfying reviews, and all of them says that Hostinger got very good hosting, plus exclusively their support is outstanding. And if you scroll, you can see that all of the Hostinger plans are covered with 30 days money back guarantee, so which makes it a special deal. These are the three most popular plan, and guys, you can claim the discount on any of the plan. And you can see that all of the plans are already running discount deals, but you can use these coupon codes to get additional discount on already running discount deals, which is an amazing thing regarding Hostinger. And if you buy your hosting from Hostinger, you can see that you can build a website with their AI, artificial intelligence based website builder, through which you can create website with 3 simple steps. All you have to do is to give the command. It's going to come up with simple proposal. You just have to finalize, and you know that how easy you can create your website through their powerful AI builder. Hostinger also has a website migration service. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, they have a dedicated service through which you can easily transfer all your website to Hostinger, and that too free of cost. This is the control panel, super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or even a newbie can use it. Hostinger also do not compromise on speed, reliability, efficiency. They have local data centers all around the world, faster speed with 24/7 support, and the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backups, you're getting SSL security certificates, and DDoS attacks prevention with the Cloudflare protected name server technology. And at this moment, 3 million plus people are using hosting as their primary hosting company. And even I'm using it. And if you want to be the part of this family, you simply scroll above and select any of the plan. And I highly recommend you guys to simply select the see all features and do a thorough comparison features of all the plan functions before you're going to opt for any. If you ask me, I recommend you guys to offer the premium or business plan. They have almost everything which you may need. Once you select any plan, simply select the choose plan. With the any plan you want to get that discount, and once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to over here. Here you can see that this is a limited time deal, and now the larger the period, the bigger the discount is. So opt for the 48 months to get the maximum discount, because these deals won't be you can't get again. After this, select the have a coupon code and try this amazing discount coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video along with the special discount link. Simply select the apply over here, and you're going to see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal. Isn't it amazing? Now there is another discount coupon code as well, and that is with the name of HI10. So you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. Simply select the apply over here, and you may see that the discount is loaded. After this, simply select the continue over here. Guys, 30 days money back guarantee is included with all of the plans. You can see the discount over here. You can see the 30 days money back guarantee badge as well. Now write your billing details and simply select the continue over here to move to the last button, which is selecting your payment method. Now Hostinger offer variety of payment methods to choose on. You're getting so many payment options. You can select any, they also offer customized and local for area to area as well. So let's say we're going with the credit card. Simply select the credit card, write your credit card details, and simply select the submit button. That how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. If you ask me, I've been using it from the last season. My experience is very good, and I highly recommend you guys to grab this amazing deal. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger with the special discount coupon code. Good luck.